If you're on well water and dealing with sediment, there's a good chance your filters are plugging up faster than they should. Low water pressure, cartridges clogging every few weeks, cloudy or dirty water that comes and goes. Most of the time, the problem isn't the filter itself, it's how sediment is being handled in the system. In this video, I'm going to explain sediment filters for well water the right way. So the first line of defense is a spin-down sediment pre-filter. This is a stainless steel or plastic mesh screen that catches sand and grit before it ever reaches a cartridge filter or an automatic backwashing filter. It's flushable, it's reusable, and you can actually see the large sediment it's catching. By removing that material first, you dramatically reduce maintenance and protect everything else that comes after that. There is one thing important to know about situations where sediment levels change suddenly and are really excessive. It's a good idea to consult a well water professional or well pump contractor, and they can take a look at the well, make sure nothing is going on mechanically or structurally down inside the well. Now, one thing important to know is that sediment in well water isn't just one thing. It could be sand, grit, it can be fine silt and clay, it can be rust particles from iron or manganese in the water, and it can change over time. That's why sediment filtration needs to be able to handle spikes, not just average conditions. And it's usually a good idea to have your water tested or get a test kit to see how much iron and manganese you have first. And when people talk about big blue filters, they're really talking about the size of the filter housing, not how fine the filtration is. A big blue style filter is always 4.5 inches in width and either 10 or 20 inches in length. And big blue housings are popular for well water because they allow higher flow rates, longer cartridge life. 10-inch housings are common, but most whole house well systems, a 20-inch big blue filter is usually a better choice. Now let's talk about micron ratings, because sometimes this is where people get tripped up. Micron rating tells you how small of a particle a filter can catch. A lower number means finer filtration, but smaller isn't always better, especially on well water. A better approach when using cartridge type filters is staged filtration. You remove the large particles first with a mesh screen, then use a cartridge designed to catch sediment gradually. So different sediment cartridges handle sediment differently. Pleated filters work well for lighter sediment loads, and pleated filters are also washable and usually recommend, say, a 50 micron pleated filter if you have a lot of sediment and it can be washed. Dual density cartridges are ideal when sediment varies or spikes or you need fine filtration. And one important thing to remember, carbon block filters are not sediment filters. They're designed to remove chemicals and taste, not dirt and sand. So for many well water homes, the most reliable sediment looks like this. Spin down sediment screen first, say 30 to 50 mesh, something big to strain out the sand and grit, then a 50 to 5 micron big blue cartridge, followed by a 25-to-1 big blue filter. And in heavy sediment situations, an automatic backwashing sediment filter can be used after the spin down pre-filter, followed by a 25-to-1 big blue filter. This staged approach protects every component, maintains good water pressure, and minimizes maintenance. So if you're still changing sediment cartridges too often, are dealing with heavy turbidity, that's when automatic backwashing filters can really make sense. And in the next video, I'm going to explain how the systems work and when they're the better option for well water.